Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me again today for another session of Me Programming Daily. Today, I'll be working with Alex again, making my way through lexical analysis of my new syntax for Wyvern. Last time I recorded, I had some problems with the Lexer 3, and I'll probably address them today. But as I was thinking about my experience with Lexing, I realized that I probably don't even need a parser, meaning whatever I need to achieve, I can do in a Lexer. Lexer produces a collection of tokens, which I can already turn into a diagram. I don't need to evaluate any of this. So I believe we'll stop at Lexing. However, we'll make sure that this is correct, or if it's correct, soon. For now, though, I hope you have your drink of choice ready. I have my coffee prepared. And let's focus on Lexer number 3. I simplified the input a little bit just to these things. Just ID and content are not looking for anything special. However, the Lexer will change. So I'm thinking to treat each line as a token, or each data structure as a token. So my Lexer is not going to return strings, but rather it's going to return a type. A bit similar to what I used to have in Dracon, just a bit simplified. So let's go back to Dracon. Let's take a sneak peek at types. We're looking at skewer block, or maybe something simpler, like an AND terminator is that's a good guess. Something like this. But you know what? Before we apply that type, let's make sure that the input is correctly parsed. So we don't care about these for now. We don't care about ID or content. We're going to address everything in one go. Like this. I'm going to call this token a block. And we're going to copy the ID. Or so I'm looking for something like this. Let's copy this action. And I have to add all my code because I made some structural changes to the examples that wouldn't build without the cache. That's it. I hope everybody had a nice weekend. Anyway, and this is our lecture 3. Interesting. So we have lecture 3. We have the IDs extracted correctly as tokens, but we also have content. That's not what I want at all. That is not correct. Let's provide some. Okay, that's enough of weird symbols. What am I missing? I think this looks correct. There we go. Okay, you know what? Excuse me for a second. I'll get back to it shortly.